All right, so this is how I make my kitchen scrubby spoon slash spatula, because the first one I got was on a wooden spoon, but I like the spatula better because it's grippy and it's easier for me to grip, especially if you have arthritic hands like somebody my age, unfortunately. So you need, basically, this is a spatula I got on Amazon. It's 8.3 inch spatula. I got a set of 8 for $7.99. And then you will need straight needles if you would like, or you can use circular, but they're US 5s. And these are double points, and I just put point protectors on the end of them. And these are very nice. They say Jesus on them with a cross. I really like them. I got them from Merchant's Pearl on Etsy. So you need that, a yarn needle, and then these are super cute, aren't they? It's a necklace that are little scissors. And I got this from the Sexy Knitter at the Fiber Fest last year. But these are just, so you need scissors, spatula, needle, US 5 needles, and a yarn needle. I use Red Heart Scrubby Sparkle, cast on 10 stitches. I use the long tail cast on, but you can use whatever cast on method you would like. I try to leave a little bit of a tail to sew up this part. And then when I bind off, if you leave a really long tail, it makes it easier. So basically you knit it for, this is 5 inches. If you're a loose knitter, you could probably knit it for 4.5, but I do 5 inches. After you knit it the 5 inches, you will fold it in half and take your yarn needle and you sew up each side. And if you have a really long, when you bind off, if you leave a really long end, what I do is I will kind of slip it through the top, pull it through, sew down this side, bring it down here. Then I have, after I sew it all up, I turn it inside out, which you don't have to because this yarn is so forgiving, but I think it looks nice. So I turn it inside out, slip it on my spatula, pull it down, and then you've got your yarn needle and you're just gonna sew it up across. Super easy, sew it across. And when I get to this part, I kind of go here and then I sew down here. And when I'm done, what I do, I just kind of weave it. Well, I'll do one more and I kind of cinch it right here. And then when I'm done, I just weave that through, take my scissors and clip it. And I am done. And this is great to wash out wine glasses or your big tumblers. And then when you want to wash it, you just throw it in the dishwasher and you wash it. That's it. Super easy. Great Christmas gift to make. And then if you want to make another scrubby to go along with it, you can. But this is my Christmas gift idea for you for this year.